Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be back with you. Today is Cinco de Mayo and I'm going to do a raspberry agua fresca. And I'm going to tell you why I'm so excited to be back. I was down and out for 7.5 days. I had a tooth pulled and I was in the most excruciating pain. And I want to thank God for healing my tooth, getting me through that time, and for the two most amazing dentists. I want to thank you, dentists. And I know you're watching this show, and this is because of you I am able to come back on and speak again. And I will be back to go over the ingredients. The very first thing you're going to need, of course, is the star ingredient, are raspberries. You'll need a heaping cup of raspberries or a 6-ounce package. You can also use frozen raspberries, so that's okay. Rinsed and drained, I have it here. You'll need 3 cups of water, and I have filtered water. You'll need a 1/4 cup of sugar if you're choosing to use that, which I am today, or you can use another sweetener of your choice. 3 limes juiced, which will equal about 3 tablespoons. And if you don't have limes, you can also use this lime juice that you can buy. And then you're going to need a strainer, and you will need a spatula. You can also have 2 garnishes of your choice. You can pick other garnishes, but I'm picking some mint and some blueberries to garnish with. And I think that's it. We're going to get started. So let's get started. Here we go. You're going to get 3 cups of filtered water, and I'm putting that in. I've already rinsed and drained these raspberries. We're getting that in. The 1/4 cup of sugar, and we're going to see it's 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and I actually juiced 3 limes. I wanted to see if it was almost 3 tablespoons from the 3 limes. And we are going to blend this now, and I will be right back. Okay, today I'm using my beautiful Ninja, and I'm going to puree it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pour it over, and we're going to use a spatula to press it. Ooh, it looks like it's going down pretty good. I blended it pretty well. And so, ooh, look how pretty and pink this is. Yummy. Yummy. Okay, I will be back to pour it in the glasses. The seeds are in there, and that's about it. That's just some foam I'm going to leave, and I will be right back. I'm going to go ahead and stir it just really quick. You're going to want to immediately to pour it over some ice, and then we're going to pour it over this ice. Ooh, it looks so pretty. I cannot wait to try this. And I'm going to put a garnish on top of that one. I'm going to throw a couple of blueberries in there. Throw a few blueberries in there. And I'll garnish this one with a mint. And I'm going to come back to try this. Okay. The 1/4 cup sugar is not sweet enough for me, so I'm going to go ahead and put 1 pump of this organic agave, and that's going to be perfect for me. Let me try. Perfect. You're going to have to try this. It's delicious and pretty healthy. It's full of raspberries, and I want to thank you so much for spending time with me today. Everyone have a happy Cinco de Mayo, and cook up some food and make some raspberry agua fresca. Bye. Lord, I pray for my children and grandchildren to have an ever-increasing hunger for more of you. May they long for your presence, long to spend time with you, in prayer, praise, and worship. Give them the desire for the truth of your word and a love for your laws and your ways. Teach them to live by faith and be led by the Holy Spirit. I pray that their hearts will not have any allegiances or diversions away from you, but rather that they would be repulsed by ungodliness and all that is in opposition to you. May a deep reverence and love for you and your ways color everything they do and every choice they make. Help them to understand the consequences of their actions and know that a life controlled by the flesh will only reap in death. May they not be wise in their own eyes, but rather fear the Lord and depart from evil. I pray that they will always desire to be a member of your word.